Good evening from Singapore. I'm now at the myVillage at Serangoon Garden. I'm not sure why this is mall, right? So let's check it out, man. I was at the Chom Chom Food Center opposite, so I saw this sign. So why not just come and check it out around the area? Well, seldom come to this area, man. The time is 8:30. I think there are lots of restaurants here. Wow, what a view, man. I'm at the rooftop level 3. Although there isn't many lights, but I can see many private houses from here, you know. And they are like all the light bulbs. Maybe from here you can see the fireworks. I'm not sure, during special days like the upcoming Chinese New Year. And then check it out. So I'm at the level 2 again. There are a lot of restaurants here, man. This is a Japanese restaurant. They sell some tonkatsu stuff. Like here, donburi, tonkatsu don. So it's a very simple mall, you know. I don't see any NTUC here. It's just a restaurant. And the iced tea is very popular. So many customers, right, you know. And there's an East Bistro restaurant here with the Hong Kong dim sum right there in the nice environment. It seems that the creator designed the mall, right? The mall design like the cats, right? The lift is here. Seems to be a TCM clinic for GRT. Well, I'm right, man. This is a TCM shop, man. But look at this. There's a bloodletting therapy. That means you use a needle to poke your skin, and then the blood come out. It's supposed to reduce your pain, you know. Although it's open at 9:30, but now it's like not even 9. I don't see anyone here. Maybe they close, they see don't have any customers. Let's check out level 1. Any interesting shops? There's a Serlin's Gelato, New Artistry, CGS International Trading Finance Firm. The supermarket called Little Farms right here. Oh. And what are these, man? You know, the season in Singapore, this Thai thing, heaven in a bowl. I think it's some kind of salad. No, this is a line shop for Bakery FS. And then there's a toast box right here. The large.ag fashion week for women at nurse.ag.news. You know, no shop is a big business in Singapore beside the hair business. For so many people have problems with their nails, you know. What about the horse, man? That's interesting. I like the decorations. Hey, they said there's fair price finance here, but I don't really see it, man. Oh, it could be this way down. I think this is one great area to stay for the private housing. Look at that. So beautiful. But then this is the Serangoon Gardens area. You can go to Chong Chong Hawker Center every day, you know, if you want to. But it's not too central in terms of like Bukit, Chinatown. It's still a distance away, about 30 minutes by MRT. Although some people say it's near. And right opposite, there are some more shops here. Explorers, Mizu Spa Massage, What Specialist. This is Farley Avenue. I think they're named after some people, man. Here's a food court, is it? Wow. There's an Indian Muslim restaurant here. You can order some coconut and some prata. Look at that.